If your PC shows could not find RUNE64.dll when launching a game or software, don't worry. This usually happens because the file is missing, corrupted, or your installation is incomplete. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. Sometimes temporary system issues can prevent DLLs from loading correctly. Next, reinstall the affected software. Uninstall the program showing the error, then reinstall it from the official source. This restores missing DLL files. Now, check for antivirus interference. Some antivirus programs mistakenly quarantine DLL files. Temporarily disable your antivirus and reinstall the program if necessary. After that, update Windows. Run Windows Update to ensure your system has all required libraries, including Visual C++ redistributables. Also, manually install the missing DLL, if recommended by the software provider. Download only from the official or trusted source, not random DLL sites. Place it in the program's installation folder or C:/Windows/System32. Finally, restart your PC and launch the program again. In most cases, reinstalling the software and updating Windows fixes the RUNE64.dll error immediately.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.